You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
A gorgeous summer morning in Redding. Take a look, not just golfers on the golf course, deer running around out there. Shady at the Riverview Golf and Country Club. What a cool sighting that was. Our boss took that video.
Did he?
Yeah.
How did he do golfing today?
I don't know, but good job on the wildlife watching.
I have a confession to make, guys. This is not intentional, but I hit a deer with a golf ball once in an errant shot.
No.
He kind of limped off. I'm sure he got better
sure
after walking it off. Yeah. So there's my confession.
Better that than
for
a
the
hunting
day.
rifle
Yeah.
or something.
Let's try. Let's check in with Jason right now.
You have to shout four.
There,
I've been
right.
golfing since I was 7. I've been golfing for a few years now, but you gotta yell four. Make sure you don't hit any of the wildlife, but we do have more heat for everyone, man and beast, as we move into this coming weekend. Temperatures right now almost as high as they should be on this date. It's 97 degrees in Redding, 93 in Chico, 95 degrees in Oroville, a warm 87 degrees in Paradise, Mount Shasta up to 83, and it's 89 degrees in Weaverville. But as expected, we continue to rise, slow but sure, between 4 and 7 degrees warmer than this time yesterday, and expect at least 5 more degrees of warmth by tomorrow afternoon. Very little cloud cover currently over mainly the higher terrain of Siskiyou County, western Shasta, as well as Tehama and Glenn counties, certainly over eastern Trinity County too. But for tonight, as well as Saturday and Sunday, very few clouds. We're going to have a mostly clear to completely clear sky all weekend, and the temperatures will continue to rise, just like, if you remember from The Price is Right, the cliffhanger game. I'm not going to do the yodeling part, but you know what it is. We're going to have the temperatures still rising all the way until Monday, when we have that ridge still building over Nevada and northern California. Then enough of a southwest to northeast airflow is going to try to bring some of that monsoonal moisture into northern California later on next week. Most places are not going to have a good chance for any wet weather. There's a slight chance for showers and thunderstorms, mostly over the Sierra, but again, almost all of what's going to happen is going to be over Nevada, and we'll have a little bit less wind going forward. Not much wind tomorrow morning, but tomorrow afternoon we'll still have the light to moderate breezes, upwards of 25-mile-an-hour gusts, but we've had much stronger wind than that. The good news is, although the temperatures will be rising through the Sunday into Monday, we're not going to have quite as much wind, which is really good news. So as that heat gets a little bit higher, make sure you never leave any children or pets inside cars. It heats up so fast inside those vehicles, especially when it's this hot outside. Drink plenty of water, wear that light-colored and loose-fitting clothing, and do what you can to spend time in the shade and also in the air conditioning, because it's going to get hotter for at least 3 more days. Here's your forecast for day 1. Expecting a lot more sunshine and a lot more heat for Trinity and Siskiyou counties. Highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s, up to 92 for Hayfork and 93 in Weaverville. Northeastern California, cool in the morning but not cool in the afternoon. 80s and lower 90s for highs, 90 in Quincy and in Shingletown. It's also going to be 90 degrees tomorrow in Paradise, 88 degrees for Magalia, a very warm 83 in Sterling City after a mild morning. For the Valley tonight, we'll have seasonable, comfortable overnight lows in the mid to upper 60s. Highs tomorrow also a little bit higher than today, upper 90s easily, close to 100 degrees. And for the Chico area, we'll have lows tonight in the mid to upper 60s, highs mid to upper 90s. It's going to go up about 5 degrees each and every day. Sunday into Monday for Chico, up to 105, and then we're going to start to cool down late next week. For the Redding area, 98 tomorrow, 103 on Sunday, tying the hottest temperature of the year thus far on Monday with a high of 108.